we're talking magnetic lashes. You can get false lashes with glue, and you can also put magnetic lashes on with magnetic liner, but I want to walk you through how I put magnetic lashes on without any eyeliner. I feel like the older that I get, the less I like to wear eyeliner. So when I figured out how to get these lashes on with just the magnetic anchors and not the liner, it was a total game changer for me. So I'm going to be using the Stretton Sally magnetic lashes from Head Candy. I love these. The whole box is magnetic, okay? And you can see that they have a magnetic strip here and here. So that is going to hold your lashes and it's going to hold your anchors. So I use a pair of tweezers and I pull those right off. Now, when you get your lashes, they come with 5 magnets on them. But just because there's 5 magnets on them doesn't mean that you need all 5 magnets. Some people have bigger eyes, some people have smaller eyes. I personally had to cut off one of the lashes. And just like any other false lash, you want to make sure that you trim them to fit your eye, okay? So we're going to use these ones, and I prefer to have a slight coat of mascara already on my lashes because that's going to help me to really grip them on, okay? So I'm going to use a rather large mirror, and I'm going to place these on my lashes right where I want them, okay? Paying attention to where those like little magnets are. I'm going to grab one of my anchors. I'm going to make sure that the curve goes the right way because we want to make sure that we're putting the magnet where it should be, okay? And then I'm going to come from underneath and I'm going to latch on that anchor to the end first. Then I'm going to skip a magnet, and then I'm going to add another anchor in to that second one. And if it doesn't grip, what you want to do is you actually want to move that lash a little bit to where it's supposed to be so that it grips nicely, okay? So that's 2. We're going to take another anchor and we're going to go back over to the 3rd magnet, okay? And then again, we're just going to kind of squish those together and make sure that they connect, which they have. And now we want to work on that inner one, okay? So I feel like this one is the most important. You want to pick an anchor that doesn't have a ton on it. So when you're looking at your anchors, you'll notice that some of them are shorter, some of them are longer. So you want to pick your anchor that has the shortest little lash on it. And this is the one where you really want to pay attention, okay? So you want to make sure it's all the way pushed into your lash, okay? And then you're going to go from underneath and connect to that magnetic anchor. And just like that, you have fake lashes on. It definitely is like a learning curve, I will say that, okay? But once you figure out how to get them perfectly on there, it is so awesome. These don't budge, they don't move, and they come off so easily at the end of the day. So they're not gonna be damaging, they're not gonna rip out your lashes. And again, my little trick is to make sure that you have a little bit of mascara on your lashes already because it almost gives it like a little bit of a grip so you can get the lashes all the way in there. So this is the style Stretton Sally from the Head Candy Lashes. I love this, and you can use my link to snag them if you'd like to.